If you're looking for ankle boots buckle, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 ankle boots buckle. Number 1, most popular, by Top Moda. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Soda. Number 3, by DailyShoes. For more info about these great booties, just click the circle. Number 4, by DailyShoes. Number 5, by Twisted. Find these ankle boots buckle at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Top Moda. Number 7, by Timberland. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by DailyShoes. Number 9, by In or Never. Discover more ankle boots buckle ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Cambridge Select.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.